Hello there.
Planning an adventure to the vibrant landscapes and rich culture of Morocco. That's fantastic. If your country requires a visa to enter, don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process, step by step, based on the official information from the Moroccan government. First things first, let's talk about where to find the most accurate and up-to-date information. The official website of the Moroccan Ministry of Foreign Affairs, African Cooperation, and Moroccan Expatriates is your best resource. You'll want to navigate to their section on consular services or visa applications. This is where you'll find the definitive list of required documents and the most current procedures. The initial step is to determine the specific visa type you need. This will depend on the purpose of your visit, whether it's for tourism, business, study, or visiting family. Each purpose may have slightly different requirements. Once you've identified the correct visa type, you'll need to gather your supporting documents. Generally, this includes a completed visa application form, which you can usually download from the official website. You'll also need your passport, which should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay and have at least 2 blank pages. Beyond the basics, you'll likely need recent passport-sized photographs that meet specific requirements. Proof of accommodation in Morocco, like hotel bookings or an invitation letter if staying with someone, and evidence of your financial means to support yourself during your trip. This could include bank statements or pay stubs. Depending on your situation, you might also need a flight itinerary, travel insurance, and potentially a letter of invitation from a Moroccan entity or individual. The next crucial step is to submit your application. This is typically done at the Moroccan embassy or consulate in your country of residence. Some countries may have designated visa application centers that handle submissions on behalf of the embassy. It's essential to check the specific procedure for your location. Be sure to book an appointment if required, as walk-ins are often not accepted. When you submit your application, you will also need to pay the visa fee. The amount varies depending on the visa type and your nationality. The embassy or consulate will provide details on the accepted payment methods. After submission, your application will be processed. The processing time can vary, so it's highly recommended to apply well in advance of your planned travel date. You can usually track the status of your application through the embassy or consulate system, or by contacting them directly. Finally, if your visa is approved, you'll be notified to collect your passport with the visa sticker. Carefully check all the details on your visa to ensure they're correct. We hope this step-by-step guide makes your visa application process for Morocco a little clearer and less daunting. Wishing you a wonderful and smooth journey to this incredible country. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider following us for more travel tips and guides.